Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and do ask me anything on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, what we will do is, first of all, let's go ahead and open our Snapchat app right there in your mobile phone. Once your particular app is open, it's simply gonna look like this, the home page of it. So if you want to do that, first of all, let's go ahead, swipe through the filters till you get this explore option right over here. Tap on this explore option and go ahead, search ask me anything by RAVI. Once you do that, you can see this emote, this particular filter over here, right? Go ahead, tap on that filter. So you will tap on that filter and it's gonna look like this over here. Simply go ahead, click a snap, and you can simply go ahead, tap on this next option, or you can send this to individually, or you can tap on story option, go ahead, upload this there in your story. They will simply be able to reply you to a caption right over there. If you want to add something more, you can go ahead, add it over here. So you can do this ask me anything in Snapchat like this, just from your app only. But there's another option from Send It. If you would like to know about that, do make sure to leave comments below. And yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.